Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have jobs like data entry, quality assurance, billing, all types of things like that. Of course, pay is going to be dependent on the job, but some of these pay up to $24 and $26 an hour. These don't require any kind of college degree. Hope I have a little mix of something for everyone. But real quickly, I need you to help me out. So in the past, my videos, I've grouped jobs together like non-phone data entry or like healthcare or like a customer service. And I'm finding it sometimes harder to group things together and have a video that's dedicated to things because sometimes the jobs that I share are just a hodgepodge or a mix and match of different types of things. And I have found in the past that if I hold a certain job waiting to find more like it so that I could group them together in a dedicated video for that type of job, that some of them quit taking applications and I don't get to share them at all. So my goal is just to share things I come across as quickly as I can so that hopefully you'll find the perfect work from home job for you. So if you don't mind these hodgepodge job videos, let me know down below. And I'm not great at doing all of this titling for YouTube and thumbnails, so please let me know if you have any suggestions of titles or different things that I could do for these hodgepodge videos that are not dedicated to one specific industry. And if you don't want to leave a comment, that's absolutely fine as well. If you do enjoy these job lead videos though, you can give me that direct feedback. Let me know, give this video a thumbs up like button, and of course share with all your friends and family because the goal of this channel is just to help everyone find their perfect dream work from home job. But not wasting any more time, first up we have the company eHealth. Now eHealth has 764 reviews from past and current employees on Glassdoor, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a licensing administrator. This is going to be remote for the United States. But they're basically looking for somebody to help serve them working with benefits advisors, various different state departments of insurance and carrier contacts, training and other teams. You're going to basically assist in completion of insurance licensing applications. So all of those documents included in applications that need to be completed, you're going to help complete those documents, make sure that they're error-free. You're going to track and follow up on the status of the agency and the licensing once the application is submitted. You also order continuing education courses for your advisors, scheduling and booking these exams, and fingerprinting for the licensing advisors, navigating the affiliations for your agents, and submitting any state-appointed applications for the agents as well. So you are basically helping, being like an administrative assistant to all of these agents who are trying to get licensed, helping get their applications in, following up on the status, making sure it's approved, and then making sure they are booked in any classes and exams that they need to take. So you're basically just organizing all of the paperwork. No college degree is required, just a high school diploma or GED. Someone who is proficient in using computer systems, specifically like Microsoft Office, database applications. You have great attention to detail. You're highly organized, and of course you have the ability to communicate clear expectations to the agents when you book exams and things like that. Pay for this position is going to be dependent on things like location and experience, but is anywhere from $39,000 a year all the way up to $48,700 a year. Moving right along though, next up we have a data entry position from American Specialty Health. American Specialty Health has 517 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.6 out of 5 stars. And real quickly, I just want to note, I use these Glassdoor pages just to gauge that it's a real company and they have people that do work for them and get paid by them. I try to weed out as many scams when I share things as possible, so I don't share many jobs that I cannot find a Glassdoor page where real people have worked for them and reviewed them. Occasionally I will, but I let you know up front. That's why you see all these Glassdoor pages for everything that I share. If you're new here, it's just to confirm that these have been checked. This is my way of checking and making sure that this is not just some fly-by-the-night scam company that was posted online. Now, with that out of the way, American Specialty Health is hiring an examiner. This is going to be remote, $14 an hour. So the pay is a little bit on the lower end, but it's a lot of data entry work. You're going to be entering data from MNR forms and CQE worksheets. Say that 10 times fast. You do have to maintain a level of production of 20 forms an hour. So you're going to review these forms, making sure all the information is complete, verifying member eligibility, and creating these patient records, entering that information into the system, checking that patient and provider information against the information on the eligibility tape, making sure everything is just accurate and complete. If you have partial or complete denials, you're going to make sure that you have a submission time frame for those, making sure that everything gets complete just in the system. So you're basically processing these worksheets in accordance with the guidelines, getting the information into the system. No college degree is needed, high school diploma or GED, and 2 years of data entry experience. Above that, they just want somebody who has great communication skills and the ability to multitask. Again, pay for this one is $14 an hour. But moving right along, I did see someone in the comments recently who said they were interested in HR type jobs. So if you are looking for anything specific, I never make any promises, but feel free to leave that in the comments. I do read those and keep that in my mind when I am out here searching for things to share. So with that being said, the company Bloomreach, they have 370 reviews with a rating of 4.5 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a people operations specialist. This is going to be in their human resources department. So they are paying $80,000 to $90,000 a year for you to work full-time. They do have a Charlotte, North Carolina office if you're near there. Otherwise, it's from home, remote, full-time. They're just looking for somebody to make sure that their human resources administration complies with all the legal requirements and things are processed effectively. So you'll process like all of those benefit packages that you would go to your human resources department for, like payrolls, benefits, mid-year changes, salary amendments if people get promoted, relocations if people are on parental leave, leaves of absences. You're going to process all of that paperwork, making sure you help onboard and offboard new employees or employees leaving the company. You'll just cooperate in any people department projects. So anything that has to do with the employees and the staffing, you will have to communicate to the employees daily and answer any of their questions they have about their benefits, 401k plans, just all of that human resources stuff. Now, they're looking for somebody who has 2 years of experience in some kind of human resources, like administrative benefits, something like that. Someone who has 1 year of customer service experience, someone who can take ownership and be proactive, working independently and be very organized, but no college degree is needed. If human resources isn't for you, that's okay. If you like shopping, this next one might be right up your alley. The company Slickdeals, they have 80 reviews on Glassdoor, an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a deal editor. Now, this is going to be an overnight position. They're looking for somebody to work 12 a.m. to 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you're outside of that time zone, you'll have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. They're based out of LA, so they are on that time zone. But Slickdeals does online deals, and they're looking for somebody who is passionate about deals, loves to learn, and is curious about different products and categories to help them edit their deals. So what you're going to be doing is keeping an eye online and through different ways on popular deals section, using internal tools to consider deals for the front page of their website. You'll access the deals by comparing prices. You'll assess the deals by comparing prices at other stores on the web, and as well as historical, like recent and past deals. And you'll rewrite the deal content, making it usable for the front page of the website. So you are basically checking if you see a washing machine on sale, you're going to check it on things like Lowe's, Home Depot, Best Buy. You're going to find the best deal and get it posted up on the website. So when all of us shoppers wake up in the morning looking for things, we can find them. They are looking for somebody who loves online shopping, has awareness of social commerce, popular trends, products, and brands, someone who can be reliable, responsive, has great communication skills, and someone who has access to your own computer, mouse, headset, things like that. They don't provide any equipment for you. you. And unfortunately, they did not list pay for this position. That'll need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Moving right along, though, next up we have the company One Call. They have 660 reviews on Glassdoor. I'm not even going to say that number. They have an overall rating of 3.3 out of 5 stars. They are hiring a retro billing associate, again, work from home for the United States. Now, pay for this one is going to be dependent on your skills and your location, but ranges anywhere from $17.75 an hour all the way up to $26.70 an hour. But they're basically looking for someone to review bills that have been submitted by their payers and channel partners to their One Call program. So you're going to review these bills and follow up on state federal guidelines, looking at fee schedules and customer specific rules and contracts, making sure that these savings for the clients are enhanced. So you're going to stay current on all billing regulations. You'll be the subject matter expert on all billing and coding guidelines, making sure that you use these protocols to reprice bills at a cost saving for the customer. So you are basically looking at the bill provided, looking at all the rules and regulations, and seeing if you can change that bill to a lower amount. You'll identify any trends and review and research any billing errors, fixing them when you can and escalating them up when you can't. This only requires a high school diploma or GED, someone who is great with customer service, great communication skills, detail-oriented, can multitask, and of course you've got to be proficient at using computer systems like Microsoft Office, Excel, Outlook, all the thing. And on top of the pay, they do offer a standard benefit package. And last but not least, we have strategic retail partners. Now, they have 188 reviews on Glassdoor. They have a lower employee satisfaction rating, though, of 2.6 out of 5 stars. I always urge you, do your own research on any companies. These Glassdoor pages are linked with the application pages, and you can find a web page with all these links in the YouTube description box below this video. But some of the reviews don't apply to remote work. That's why I always say, if you're interested in something, do your own research, come read the reviews. I provide links on my website directly to all these pages, because a lot of the cons and things that people post for why they gave a company a lower score, like this one just has a lot of driving, time away from home, long hours. Now, you could work long hours from home, but poop hole inside building, so sewage is pumped inside the building. A lot of these people have complaints about how far they have to drive to get to work, or the buildings that you work in, which when you're working from home is not really a concern. So just make sure that what you're looking at, you can't always go by the rating. Regardless, though, Strategic Retail Partners is hiring a quality assurance specialist. Of course, this is full-time, fully remote, and pay is $24.04 an hour. But they're basically looking for somebody to monitor, maintain, and respond to their call center inquiries, texts, and help desk tickets related to their POGs and their store inventory. So you're going to provide controls for the POG creation and updates of the inventory in the system, building and executing all of those POGs, monitoring them, making sure they are updated, and removals for store closings are done in a timely manner. So you are going to have to analyze and do some data review in Tableau. Now, all the way down at the bottom, they don't require any kind of college degree. They only require you to have great Microsoft Excel skills. Someone who has great customer service skills, can be a self-starter, critical thinker. You've got to be able to analyze, review data, and be a problem solver. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I owe you a huge thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Again, feel free to leave anything you're looking for in the comments. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up like button if you enjoyed anything that I shared. Share with all your friends and family. And of course, I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.